wakareru. Used when talking about friends or couples at a station or in front of a house. It also appears in topics about married couples.
別れる。友達や恋人と駅や家の前でよく使います。夫婦の話でもよく出ます。
It's used as an intransitive verb. 別れる means people or groups stop being together, end a relationship, or in some cases, become separated because of death.
人やグループが一緒にいる状態から離れること、恋人や夫婦が関係を終わりにすること。死によって離れ離れになることもあります。
The only kanji means separation or distinction. It often shows things going different ways. You see it in 別々 to say separately. You also see 区別 when talking about making a distinction. We part ways at the station.
私たちは駅で別れます。私たちは駅で別れます。
I want to break up with him.
彼と別れたいです。彼と別れたいです。
I broke up with her completely.
彼女ときっぱり別れました。彼女ときっぱり別れました。
I parted ways with my friends and headed home.
友達と道で別れて家に帰りました。友達と道で別れて家に帰りました。
The most common synonyms of the word are 離れる and 離婚する. 離れる overlaps for general physical separation without focusing on relationships. 離婚する is a legal end to marriage, which matches the married couple use of 別れる. The most common antonym of the word is 付き合う. It means to start or continue a romantic relationship, while 別れる means to end or part from it.